Hallelujah.
Never heard that version.
Alright, sing one American song then.
Oh, say, can you see? Do you know that song? By the dawn's early light. I'm a really bad singer. What's I'm too bad at this. Guys, that's the Star Spangled Banner. He probably knows them. Right.
Yeah.
But once
Sing the song, listen.
No. But once in a while, there's a song that I actually
Sing
sung.
the song, no man.
No way. I sound too horrible.
Sing one next one.
You think about. I don't know. I'm not good at singing.
Just try.
Someone else join now. Fine. I need to tell me a song now. I don't know. Not good, guys. If you tell me this, I did actually a live the other day when I just showed the nature, but I got up and just left the phone there, and then it canceled it because it said inactivity, like I wasn't doing anything. Oh, look, more people are joining. Oh, we have 3 viewers now. We have 3 viewers. Guys, don't forget to like the live. I posted a YouTube video today if anyone wants to see. Oh, look, someone asked us a question. Wake up, wake up. Someone said, are you in Jamaica? Oh, thanks for liking the live, Tammy. Oh, someone else cut code like the live. Look, people are liking it now. Yeah, so I'm in Jamaica, guys, because someone asked that. Look, they're putting hearts. I hope you're not half asleep and then gonna be mad when you see this tomorrow. You're not asleep. We're doing this, right?
It's okay.
Okay. Oh, someone asked to join the live. Okay, he said no. Oh, Tammy says, I can tell by the sound of the insects in the background. That's how she knew I was here. Yeah, that's what my family always says. Whenever I talk to them on the phone, they're always like saying they hear the frogs. Wait, she says something else. A bunch of people I don't know. Thank you for the ASMR. Do you know what that is?
Thanks for what?
ASMR.
Ask them, I don't know.
No, I know what it is. I was asking if you know.
No.
It's like when people make like, it's usually these girls that try to be like sexy or something, and then they make noises. I don't know. It's supposed to be like relaxing. So they're saying that the frogs are making like relaxing noises. So she's thank the frogs. Look, Tammy's liking the live so much. Thank you. Yeah, guys, so my idea was every day we would go live on here. He's supposed to be awake, so next time you're gonna be talking more. But you can ask us questions and we'll answer. But yeah, like I was saying, we posted a nice YouTube video today. So if anyone wants to watch it, it's Sydney Dymant on YouTube. Did you know they showed Trump has a son that's almost 7 feet tall. Did you know? He has an 18-year-old son that's almost 7 feet tall. Okay, Tammy says, are you living there or visiting? No, I've been living here, guys, for a super long time, actually. Like,
more than 5 kids, Tim.
Right now, that's our situation. We have 5 kids. Okay. Then we need a 6th. So someone said, okay, so you really love it there then. Oh, yeah. Tammy, are you Jamaican?
It's almost.
Yeah, maybe. Or maybe she's Jamaican, but she doesn't live here anymore. I feel like she doesn't live here anymore.
And if a she or a E?
Because there's Tammy.
Someone named Tammy though.
Oh, really?
One name everything, she bother.
Sure.
One name all pussy.
What?
Asshole.
No.
Dick shit.
That never happened.
Stiff dick.
Okay. That never happened before.
People names of a Jew.
Oh, did you know Kylie Jenner's daughter, her son? You know Kylie Jenner's daughter, her son's name is Air, and Air means dick in like Arabic or something.
See, never hear a man named Uncle Dick.
What are you talking about?
Yes.
You know someone with that name?
Mm-hmm.
What? So crazy.
You know a man named Dickie.
Because that's one nickname for Richard. So that must be, but that's still a weird nickname. Oh, Tammy says she lives in New York. That's cool. Which part of New York? Because I actually grew up in Connecticut, so close to New York. Thanks, you guys, for liking the lives. Oh, wait, let me like my own live. Oh, she said she's from Brooklyn. That's cool. I've only been to Brooklyn one time. And she's asking, where in Connecticut are you from? Westport. Do you know Westport? I actually haven't said that in so long. It's so weird. Now when people ask me where I'm from, I always say Miami.
But you originated from Germany.
Yeah, like my grandparents are from Germany. But I've only been there one time in the airport. Should I just say I'm from Germany from now on?
Of course, that's the ancestor didn't come from. Anyway, grandparents from this are you originate from, yeah, you know.
Yeah, that's true. But not all my ancestors come from there. Like some of my ancestors also come from Italy. Italy and Germany. And Poland even. Oh, what did Tammy respond now? She said, yes, Westport is closer to New York. I have fam in New Haven. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, New Haven's nice. That's where Yale is, I think. I did one camp at Yale.
She ever come to Jamaica, tell her so we start up on retreat.
Oh, yeah, okay. We're going to start a retreat. And also, he does tours. Like, he can tour you at the river anywhere you want to go. And he can cook. If you want to order, like, food, he can cook it at the river. And is a super good cook. Oh, look. Someone is trying to join. They all want to join.
Good night to everyone. We're not joining no one tonight, sorry.
Yeah. Tammy says, which parish are you in?
The best.
The best parish. He's very secretive about location.
Make you figure it out.
Okay, yeah. Guess which one you think is the best parish. My sister today was asking me, what is parish? I don't know what to say. It's just a thing bigger than a town, right? It's just an area.
Like a community.
Yeah, community. Oh, she guessed which one she didn't guess here. She guessed St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth is not the best.
Probably she's from St. Elizabeth.
St. Elizabeth is actually the best when it comes to produce, like farm produce.
Oh.
But when it comes to violence,
it's worse.
It's worse. That's why St. Elizabeth is not the best.
I didn't even know that.
You have to come to Portland. Portland is the best.
Yeah, Portland is the best. But
no violence, you live good.
I was actually thinking that because when I was talking to my sister today, and like she always is scared to come here, and literally it's like the safest ever. Like nothing bad is happening. Oh, what she said. Paris, Elizabeth. St.
Elizabeth is nice. St. Elizabeth have some nice people.
Really, I've never been there. I don't think.
I've been there a lot of times.
I have.
Me.
Oh, that's cool.
I used to deliver stuff there. St. Elizabeth, nice. You can drive through St. Elizabeth and come straight back to Negril.
Oh, so it's far?
What? It's super far, man.
Oh, St. Elizabeth.
About 7 hours right so.
7 hours?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
About 8.
But so you said it's better for farming. I thought here was best for farming.
No, them do a lot of farming. Them take farming to a next level.
Oh, okay.
You know, St. Elizabeth is a feeding ground for Jamaica. You know, them plant the most, them produce the most food at your time.
Well, that's cool. I actually didn't know that.
Because the government themselves have their own farm in St. Elizabeth, the Queen of England.
We actually need, guys, we're starting our own farm. Right? with his family. It's like family farm. Wait, she said, it never used to be that way. The deported
just... family, just me and my sister.
What about your mom?
Mom not a fam.
Oh. Okay, so just sisters.
Mm-hmm.
Wait, she said, it never used to be that way. The deported destroyed St. Elizabeth. Oh, what's that mean? The deported. Yeah, tell us.
Yeah, the one the deported them are the one where we come from foreign. Where America sent out of them country are true. And they scam them too.
But
I really deported them. I scam them mash up St. Elizabeth. Scam them created the youth. Them make money and kill off the one that over it.
But aren't the deported people just Jamaicans that get deported back
here?
Yeah. Oh, so the evil Jamaicans.
They're evil because they go foreign and get the opportunity and lose it.
Yeah. And
come back for the ground and fight against some people who never yet travel. You know? Deport are the most corrupted people in the business of the independent life on here.
Well, that's wicked. If they're deported, that means they're super criminals because...
Yeah. And then now you say, you know, when you arise, no one figure out foreign. They all want to kill a brother.
Oh my God.
They don't want to see no good out of nobody because they lose to them chance in a life.
Yeah, true. Except for they messed it up themselves. It's all their fault why they did it.
Well, yeah.
It's so weird. Yeah, imagine if you go to another country and then you're so bold to commit crimes in the next country. That's like if I came here and just started some...
Because some of them lazy, they don't want to work. They
want
to sell weed and sell drugs.
Also, they might think because here it's way more casual, you can sell those kind of things here and you won't get in trouble. But then they go to other countries and get in trouble. But then they go to other countries and see that it's different. Get locked up.
Everything's selling in America more than you know selling in Jamaica. But at the same time, you have to sell things like those things illegal with code.
Yeah, because like if you sell it, even though they sell it more in America, they catch you more also. Right?
Yeah, but if you have follow by code, then you can't catch you.
Oh.
So easy. You know much money they are about in our business.
Really? But I feel like everyone says that until they get caught.
Yeah, see that? Eventually they catch up on them still because, you know.
Yeah.
Now them on them. So they run up on Bill Gates.
Bill Gates? He sells weed.
A man named Pablo Escobar.
Oh yeah, he sold cocaine. Oh wait, hold on. Tammy says, it was nice chatting with you guys. Good night. Good night, Tammy. Thanks for liking all the live. She liked it like 50 times. Super nice.
And something there. Bill Gates.
But Bill Gates you have as a criminal?
What do you mean? El Chapo.
Oh. That's another guy from Miami, isn't it?
Yeah.
So Miami is like a big crime place.
The richest motherfucker there. The man they use money wipe all them body.
No, you know why?
They use money and light it would wrap up cigarette money.
What? That's a waste.
They have enough.
I think the reason why a bunch of criminals go to Miami is because there's like a bunch of ports in the water, so that is how they can get all their stuff in easy. Right? Oh wait, someone said he's from Mexico. El Chapo, or I think he's saying that guy is from Mexico. Oh, you guys know all about this.
Yeah, man, Mexican come from but they rule and Mexican rule all over.
That's cool.
Links all over.
But he died?
Yeah, man, they don't gun them down, man.
Oh, someone says greetings and salutations in the night. Nice.
Blessings.
Yes, the rest of guys, see? Yeah. Yeah, greetings. What's the other thing that people say here that like, or whenever you guys say hi, you guys say the actual, like, you say respect or you say manners. Like, instead of showing manners, you just say the word manners.
Yeah, man, manners, you know?
You guys have funny greetings here.
Jamaican, they are the greatest.
My patois of understanding is so good now, right? I understand pretty much everything.
It's a bumbo clat.
No, stop trying to embarrass me. I can't. Bumbo clat.
Okay.
I can't
So
speak.
wagwan.
Wagwan.
So where you depend, man?
Where you dip on? No, I can't do it, but I know what they mean.
Try. Where you depend, man?
Where you dip? Can't be.
Why pray?
Why pre? That one's easier.
Where you say I go on now?
Where you say I go on now? Some little things I actually say on my own though, like the little words, but not like the full sentences.
With the rascal.
What a rascal you are go. Was that good?
go. No,
yeah. Oh. Okay.
Where the rascal you go?
What the so hard? What the rascal you are go? Is that better? Where the rascal you are go?
Bumbo blood clot.
Bumbo blood clot. I'm not good at it.
You're good subtle. You're good subtle.
Good subtle?
Yeah.
What's that mean?
That means you try, do it.
So I guess I don't understand everything. Subtle, that's the same. Till, that's the same.
Yeah, you're good subtle. That means you're doing a great job.
Or is this a trick?
What kind of trick?
I don't know. Alright, I never heard that before. Wait, people are running more stuff. No, he's doing life sentence in federal prison. Oh. You know so how do you know so much about him? You watched a movie about him maybe.
Hold on.
This person that wrote about El Chapo. Because I said...
a lot of people follow El Chapo, man. He's a terrible boy.
Really? Yeah, terrible. Like... Because wasn't he one of the biggest crime people ever?
Yeah, one of them is Pablo Escobar.
But those people aren't as evil as, like, world leaders who kill people.
What?
Right? Don't you think?
Is it in though?
Like... No, I'm saying those criminals aren't as bad as world leaders that kill people, like in wars and things. Like presidents.
So most of the war and killing used to go on back then. Them man they can't see. You know much police them man they buy out having in their hand. Corrupted cop. Them man the whole police system did get corrupt. And new law when them pass get rid of them man there.
What? Like people say the DEI, that's like the people that's supposed to stop drugs from coming into Mexico. Like,
they are the most corrupted thing.
Yeah, apparently.
They are drugs dealer themselves, they must struggle it.
That's what I was gonna say. Yeah, they pretend to stop the drugs from coming in, but they really just make deals and everything. Oh wait, more people saying. Aya says, I can't read when it's like this. I don't even know how to pronounce. I don't know how to say this. SUH, so maybe so. I don't know. Daughter, you feel live a yard permanently. Yeah, I've kind of been doing that so far. I've been here a really long time, guys. And later we want to get like where you can be a resident. Go and get your residency. That mean I could actually live here. But right now I'm just following the rule of what you can do. What are you doing? What?
Well, it's mine mostly.
Okay. Oh, he says, so nice. Yeah, it's been super nice. And Gang says, what's up? But this is going good. Imagine if we do this every night.
Oh, Gang?
I don't know who it is. It's just a person that says, he said, what's up? See?
Oh.
You know him?
No, yes.
What do you mean you know him? How?
You know, I'm not famous, I'm not people.
This guy?
I know a gang man.
Alright.
If I the gang, what do you think?
Yeah, it might be a different guy.
Yeah, I say gang. Gang from Skibo.
Could be actually because this it suggests our video to like people nearby probably. Oh, Aya says happy for the island. Thank you. I wonder if there's a way. Can I put this on, like, make it go on Instagram Live at the same time?
Yeah, we'll see every live. And then post it by Instagram.
Yeah, that's a good idea. But imagine if we could go live at both at the same time. Actually,
You can do it, but on two separate phone.
Oh. Is your phone
Phone
here?
is so smart to do two things one time. And then type of smart instead they want carry it in a phone, you know.
True.
Where can I use one phone and split it in a three? You see how the camera they put on phone.
Yeah, there's like 5 cameras on phone
now.
now.
Camera on them for them and try hard.
So
to use
weird.
one phone to do everything.
Yeah, so weird.
You can watch TV on a part of screen there. You can call somebody over here, so you can play music over here, so.
Even with watch, because you want to do guys, you got a smart. Okay. Hey, look, someone says, I saw you a long time ago when you were staying with Chucky in Portland. Oh, that's Gong. Gong said that.
Oh.
So you used to watch my videos. Oh, that's nice. So you've been seeing the videos from the very beginning then? Because Chucky was the first place I stayed in Jamaica. That's so cool.
Chucky residents. Boy, they kill Chucky and
I know. I'm so sad.
That's the Portland people now, some of them now. Them bad mind. They don't like see nobody live a life, but then they say they say I live a good life, them say I live life better than them.
So, wait, hold on. Okay.
Let me tell you all I want upon a life from Portland. We no need to grudge nobody, man. They say anything we no see a next man do. We no can do it and do all greater too.
True.
We no have to just believe you out and willing and try. You understand what I mean? You don't need to grudge a man. Because most of the youths them in Portland and most of the youth are the elder them to them. Bad mind against them one another.
Really?
Yeah, they don't like to see progress. They might even some little crab in a barrel thing about it and see it and me burn it out, brother. And if you go look work. Or go plant a piece of ground or something. You understand what I mean? Mm-hmm. Yeah, set up a fruit stall, open a shop.
Yeah.
Sell bag juice, sell coal. You see all grave digging and go
cool.
you buy some liquor. Mm-hmm. Yeah, them can go in the bush for cut, fire stick, you know, and pack them up and throw dirt on them and bush, you know. And then become coal where you can put it in stove and cook it.
Oh, that's cool.
So that can be a job. A lot of people say they don't have no job, they can go burn coal.
I feel like that's extra good for like in like the country area because everyone uses it to cook.
Everyone use coal to cook.
It's a good idea actually.
You know, so there is a lot of stuff what people can do to make money and them say them poor and then them watch you don't want to say I live big life.
Yeah. But do you feel like people are more
crazy
like that, like jealous and bad mind in Portland or just everywhere?
Mostly in Portland and Jamaica, honestly. Are the only thing with Portland people them full of bad mind. You'll find it all over Jamaica, you know, but it's certain parish them not live by that. For instance, Hanover in St. Elizabeth.
They don't have
St. James. Them now go see us drive so as a St. James or born and grow and fight against you and bad mind. Most of the crime and the violence born in St. James is related to gang and scamming.
St. James.
You know that. That I in Hanover, Mobile.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, that cause it.
I would have thought people in Kingston though would be.
And then people that live big life because certain people in Portland now, them just thinking of the box, them not think out. You understand? Them not, none of them go down a prayer in them head say, watch out, I want a big house and I want a big jeep. I want a car, I want a house and a pretty girl. But them not put themselves in the field. Them not put themselves in a position to earn that. And them sit down and watch you and want to kill you and plot on your life.
Why would want to kill you just for those things?
So we not tell us that people envy.
Yeah.
But at the same time now, in Portland, people have to know say there are certain people here really spiritual. Like the maroon them, you can't run put them. Me and one of them, give thanks to Jah.
No, but you know what the Gong said just now? He said, bro, you don't know anything about Portland.
Yeah.
Guys, he's from Portland.
Tell you. Who don't know nothing about Portland? I just want my born and grow. Shrewsbury, I come from gang. Watch yourself and watch what you say.
Oh, he also said, he says he met me he says, not met me. He said, I saw you personally.
You come like somebody you want look.
Me?
But me I tell him, say, Shrewsbury, I forward from.
No, but
Commodore.
He said, I saw you personally at the bridge doing a video.
Oh, me?
I think me. All right, tell us which one of us. Because one time when I was here with Chucky.
I must you matter, man.
Yeah, because when I was...
I see him thing there, I tell about on the live and see one come there.
Oh.
One hater.
Do you think he's a hater? Because he's being positive. He said, bad mind is where people kill each other. Bad mind, people killing each other. That not go on, so yo, bro.
What do you mean? When the man they kill Chucky, you better you shut up and come up for a life.
Okay.
Because the man they kill Chucky and lick Chucky off on bike. So I don't know what you tell me, say, man. Come on, got a pretty girl to come for the life. Look, I can't get her.
He said he's not looking at anyone.
I'm mad, me see my talk about that. Because man, they murder Chucky. And that me I tell you. And Chucky a good man.
Yeah.
Chucky not riding bike more than Fire, so go ride this up. And he not ride fast. Because Chucky and my virgin, every day Chucky used to come from me and come drink jelly and carry. And
that's crazy.
People, one time then come down and Airbnb come buy from me.
That's really
Chucky
crazy.
used to make money, brother. A whole heap of little thing I go on you. But if you not involved in it, say you not involved. But not talk to nobody else. Because me I tell you.
But you know what? I'm thinking...
Maybe in all boat in Jamaica. And me can't tell you.
What's this mean? He said, bro, I dropped the G, drop off a big...
Drop off?
What's that mean? Bro, I dropped the G, drop off of the big bro? What's that?
Drop off on the bike. Bike, you know, sir.
Oh.
No, man, in a drop off, man. Drop off, what? And one time the man got hospital and the man tell the police that, tell them everything.
Yeah, it's a bike. But there's something about the story is weird, like... There's a more story to it, but I don't know, why didn't the police finish looking into that?
It's the night when time Chucky dead. Mr. Chucky pass, you know, on the Friday, you know. Every Friday, Chucky go up in the town, go collect money and come down and bar down the road, so come drink, you know.
Which bar?
And bar one girl own bartender.
Like on the corner, kind of.
Yeah, right, and I can't sure this up.
Yeah.
I know a girl that tell me what go on. Chucky, they have a piece of money pan in the night there.
And people know about it.
And people know about it.
Oh my God.
And that's why they do it.
What?
They're wicked.
It is super wicked.
You know, so even try, then rob try.
What?
Try.
Your guy that helped build the house?
Yeah. Yeah.
Recently?
Yeah, well, I seen us to try for one day. Try get a piece of work. And then say, Mom make a piece of food, and then say, get one. Must say 80,000. And then buy some drinks and feel sweet and I walk in.
80,000?
80,000 Jamaica.
That's good.
Jamaican, they make, yeah. And then buy some juice and shirt and pants and something. Same I go look for him people them down the country. And the man say, man, 3 man stick him up one night.
What?
Recently too. And rob him. Because I need them one bar a drink. And from him left the bar. And I walk down in the lane, the man and rob him. So that the most money where the bar do that.
Oh my God.
I see him where they kill Chucky.
But he told...
They couldn't kill him too, you know. Actually, 80,000 then I kill him.
It was probably someone else that did the work with him that knew he had it then, right?
No.
So he told people?
I don't know nobody who work with him do it.
Oh.
I'm alone with the job.
So he knows.
And I just a boss pay him.
Oh, but does he know who did it?
They know so him have money because he might buy liquor.
Oh.
Him then at the bar and he must spend. So people realize say yeah, he have money, so they want to rob him.
What?
So
and we were just saying how safe this place was.
It plays safe. At the same time, if people know, they have a thing when they say, don't know, be frightened, you know. You understand? And if you put yourself careless, people are going to do things. You understand?
So you feel it. So, but that's
and let me tell him, say, oh, if you have money, see? You, as a sufferer then, you make a money. And you make the money and you go flash out the money and I drink pay liquor.
Yeah.
And shell long bars. And you don't have a house. You don't have a bed. You don't have a stove. You know make sense.
But how much liquor was he buying?
Well, he buy about 8 jagan. So he buy and drink about 8 jagan.
What? That's so stupid. So alright, what if he wanted?
So that no more stupid business, because I tell him the truth. So they see me, I tell him and like say me I talk behind him, but me I tell him because me I reason with him all the while and tell him, so you, when they make money, when you're broke and you don't have no money, you're humble.
But he always has
So
alcohol
now-
anyway, so what does he need it now when he has the money? It's not like he doesn't have money for alcohol. He always has money for alcohol.
Who try?
Yeah.
No, sir.
Oh.
China has their money for alcohol. And that's why I tell you, enough of youths and both they don't really have no money because they hustle. You have certain money where we have trade, like China, he will make a money.
Because he knows how to build
Because
things.
he know how to build things. Enough of the youth, them not even learn skill.
Yeah. Guys, it's really impressive to see you like when you know how to do all the electricity stuff and can set up any light and wires, and I have no idea how those things work. Yeah, I wish I knew how to do those things. Probably you know even more stuff, like house building stuff that I don't even know. Like you know way more stuff that I've never even seen you do before, probably.
Of course, we can't build this out of me one man. It will take time.
Yeah.
When me have a labourer, like a guy who work with me, like to mix the malt and bring it, we can lay out 200 block for the day.
So you really know all the steps.
Yeah. The first step is the foundation. And the measurement, you have to put in the steel, you have to make the steel bar and put it down in the air.
Oh, I actually know some of this. Yeah, put
and
this.
Connect some long steel up in the air, half of them 16 feet apart.
Oh, I didn't know
Got
that.
the block of 8 inch, you know.
The little concrete blocks.
Yeah, the block.
Yeah, you put the rods in.
You
But
put
first
them
you
in a
measure
six-
it with
you
the
put-
string.
Yeah, you put the card line and measure it first, that is straight. And then you use the tape measure and put in the steel them 16 feet apart from one another.
Yeah, I didn't know this.
Right round, and then you put the column, you have the column them cut out in between. And then you box up the column them.
What's box up mean?
You use ply. When you run the block them, you go buy the plyboard and cut them. Cut them in a size.
Oh, that's just to make the cement,
the cement
like
stay
lean,
inside.
right? Well, look at me, guys.
So when you black it up now, you use a tape measurement run block. So you have to use a tape in every way. So it depends on how the person want them window for high or how low them want the window is. You know, that is where you're gonna stop the block. And then now you're gonna catch it back from there and shape out the window while they're on the block then.
Oh, like so you can just put the glass to lean. Lean the glass.
Which glass?
The window.
Yeah, anyway you want a window you can go in. If you want it to be lean, slant, so it can shape out because all you have to do a cut dry design pan ply and cut out it.
Yeah.
You remember when we was going round to the waterfalls and we see that house with a big star in front of it?
Oh, it was so cool.
You remember?
Yeah, that was made out of... But that wasn't
We
cement
can
though,
do
was
that,
it?
you know. Yeah,
Really?
that's cement.
Oh.
Of course, it's very simple. All you have to do cut out the plyboard. You're going to cut out the ply in stars. And you're going to get some small strip and nail and Solitex on it.
What's solid set?
Solitex is a thing when we use to seal up inside of the house.
Oh, I've never seen it before.
The Solitex, sweetie, on the wall, down at the shop.
I don't know. Inside the wall?
Inside the board thing where you ask me what's that.
I don't know it. Sorry, I can't think of what it's saying. Probably I know it, but I can't picture it right
so
now.
that now when they cut that and use it, they can use it and shape out any design in any building.
It's so cool. Is that how they do? You know the things on the veranda, those little curvy things?
Way.
Oh. I had no idea that was cement, but it looks like a different material.
I cement, but then use a softer version of it. With a little bit of stone and then put steel in there. So you steel and hold it.
Oh, I didn't
and
know.
then now when time it done, it's gonna have a little rough look there and then now then smooth it down. Then call it dressing, like then dress it.
That's
Even
cool. I
all
didn't
these
know
wall,
any of
all
this.
these wall they are just black alone, you know.
Really?
And then flash it and then smooth it.
The ceiling. But the ceiling is like they make this design on purpose to put like a little.
Yeah, this is just very simple. And just use a shovel and just make like some wave.
I kind of like it.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool.
In America, they have a one called like popcorn, where it's like a bunch of dots. Have you seen it? I don't think I've seen it here so far.
That. Yeah.
Yeah, that one kind of like a simple
shovel
one
and
too.
like some ice.
Oh, ice?
Yeah, make it look like when the ice frozen.
Oh yeah, that's true.
And then just stick out painted.
Oh, someone write nice relationship, and then they said good combination. But it's nice. Oh, I kind of forgot to read the comments over. Should I go back and read them? The other guy gone.
That's just out the brain. Just really can't read.
Okay. Okay, what's this mean? Yo, up a 51, the man dropped. Oh, is that a road?
Black that person.
Black him? Why no black people be good?
What was that?
Okay, can I leave him please? And
Yo. Black light person, Mr. Sidem.
I don't know how to do it. Really? It's still on. Okay, they're blocked. The same person that said we had a nice relationship, bro. Bad, bro. Big up. Enough prosperity and blessings. Enough positive energy. Thank you. Oh, you just followed me. Thank you.
I see a person that come with negative energy. I don't want nobody on that thing. Like, auntie, big likes.
Actually,
You know, big likes.
The way YouTube and these things work is you want.
Let me tell you, it's a TikTok different. If a person now give you vibes, you block them, make them go on with them, brother. Them a crosses come with them problem. And on the time for toe with them and them a read them comments. Them a curse.
Yeah, but if you block everyone, that
you not block everyone. Because everyone now go come with the energy there. You go find nice people come off positive things.
But what was wrong with what he was saying? You were just telling us what he
tell him say chuck it, get lick off him bike and him tell him about a crash him and crash off a bike. Me don't want to hear that. That's a madness because me know say I kill a man. Innocent man then kill. Justice me say for chuck it. And for Naya and them you there.
I'm not gonna read the negative comments to you. I'll just read them.
Read them, man. Read them. If you want to read them.
This one's not negative. This person said, "You're welcome." More than the house mat that says, "Welcome." Saying you're welcome, and she's saying that we're even more welcome than how the mats say welcome. She says we're extra welcome because she give us a compliment.
Oh,
that's nice. We're actually getting a bunch of viewers.
I get too excited. Got anything there? Not really, no? Irritated.